Software Engineering. Unit 1 Important Long Question List with Years. Explain software engineering and its importance. 2021-2023. Explain the software process and its activities. 2022. Explain the waterfall model with diagram. 2020-2023. Explain the incremental process model with advantages and disadvantages. 2022. Explain the prototype model and its applications. 2021. Explain the spiral model with diagram and advantages. 2023. Explain Agile process model. 2022. Explain Extreme Programming XP with principles. 2024. Very important / expected long questions. Compare Waterfall Model and Agile Model. Explain Scrum Model with roles and process. Explain Adaptive Software Development, ASD. Explain Concurrent Development Model. Software Engineering Unit 1 for Gujarat University BCA students, for exam preparation, and the most important questions that can help you score good marks. All questions are explained in detail in this book. To study thoroughly and prepare all questions with complete answers, please click on the link provided in the description. You may also type the URL directly in your browser. Question 1. Explain software engineering and its importance. 2021-2023. Introduction to Software Engineering. Software engineering is a systematic, disciplined, and measurable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software systems. It applies engineering principles to software creation so that software is reliable, efficient, maintainable, cost-effective, and delivered on time. According to IEEE, software engineering is the application of a systematic, disciplined, and quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. In simple words, software engineering is the proper method of building quality software by following defined steps, tools, techniques, and standards. Why software engineering is needed. Before software engineering, programs were developed without planning, difficult to maintain, delivered late, full of errors, costly to modify. As software systems became large and complex, a structured approach became essential. Hence, software engineering was introduced to reduce development cost, improve software quality, manage complexity, deliver software on time. Key characteristics of software engineering. Systematic approach. Work is done step by step. Documentation-based, proper documents are maintained. Process-oriented. Follows defined models, SDLC. Quality-focused. Emphasis on reliability and performance. Teamwork. Developers, testers, managers work together. Software engineering process. Brief overview. The software engineering process generally includes the following phases: requirement analysis, system design, implementation coding, testing, deployment, maintenance. Each phase has a clear objective and output. Importance of software engineering. Software engineering plays a very important role in modern software development. Its importance is explained below. 1. Helps in managing large software projects. 2. Improves software quality. 3. Reduces development cost. 4. Ensures timely delivery. 5. Makes software easy to maintain. 6. Enhances team coordination. 7. Reduces software failure risk. 8. Supports reusability. Advantages of software engineering. High-quality software. Better customer satisfaction. Reduced project risk. Better project management. Easy scalability. Long-term reliability. Disadvantages. If software engineering is not used. Poor quality software. High maintenance cost. Project delays. Frequent failures. Customer dissatisfaction. Conclusion. Software engineering is essential for developing reliable, efficient, and high-quality software systems. It provides a structured framework that helps in managing complexity, reducing cost, improving quality, and ensuring timely delivery. In today's digital world, software engineering is the backbone of successful software development, making it an indispensable discipline in computer science. Question 2. Explain the software process and its activities. 2022. Introduction to Software Process. A software process is a structured set of activities, methods, practices, and rules used to develop, deliver, and maintain software systems. It defines how software is developed, starting from identifying user requirements to maintaining the software after delivery. According to IEEE, a software process is a set of activities required to develop a software system. In simple words, the software process provides a step-by-step framework for building quality software in a systematic manner. Need for software process. The software process is needed to control complexity of software development, ensure quality and reliability, deliver software on time, reduce cost and risks, maintain consistency in development. Software process framework. A generic software process framework consists of 5 main activities that are applicable to all types of software projects: communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Activities of software process. 1. Communication, requirement gathering. 2. Planning. 3. Modeling. Design. 4. Construction, coding and testing. 5. Deployment. Supporting umbrella activities. These activities are performed throughout the software process to ensure quality and control. Software quality assurance, SQA, software configuration management, technical reviews, documentation, risk management, measurement and metrics. Importance of software process. Improves software quality, reduces development risk, ensures systematic development, enhances team coordination, makes project manageable and predictable. Advantages of following software process. Better planning and control, timely project delivery, reduced errors, improved maintainability, customer satisfaction. Conclusion. The software process provides a structured and disciplined approach to software development. By following defined activities such as communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment, software projects become more manageable, reliable, and successful. Thus, the software process plays a vital role in producing high-quality software systems. In the same way, all the questions are explained in detail in this book. For comprehensive learning and to study further questions in depth, please click on the link provided in the description. You can type the link or access it directly from the description section. https://pragati-education-tech.online/product/software-engineering-unit-1/thank you, and sincere gratitude to the universe.